Hello students. Today I will be teaching the third poem which is from the chapter 3rd. Okay, the shed. Do you know what a shed is? A cow shed, a tool shed, a wood shed, for example. Okay, so it is a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. So it is a small room, okay, which that is kept that is used for keeping the uh, things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. So ask your partner if she or he has ever seen a shed. Let her or him describe it to the class. Okay, now let's see the poem. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. I'll open that door one day. So here the poet, okay, here the poet he is speaking, he is saying that there is a shed at the bottom of our garden. That means at the end of the garden there is a shed with a spider's web hanging across the door. That means in the door, across the door, the spider's web is hanging. Okay, the hinges are rusty and the creak in the wind. That means the hinges are rusty. The hinges means the it is a thing, it is a wood, uh, metal thing, okay, which supports the door. So the hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. That means uh, little noise, okay, little fairy noise is there in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. When he is there in the bed, he listens, okay, he listens the sound, little scary sound, okay, from the wind. I'll open that door one day. What he says at last, he says that one day I'll open that door. Okay. There is a dusty old windows around at the site with three cracked panes of glass. I often think there is someone staring at me each time that I pass. I'll keep through that window one day. I'll peep through that window one day. That means here the poet is saying that there is a dusty old window around at the site. The windows are also old and dusty, okay, because nobody cleans there, no one remains there. With three cracked panes of glass. That means the panes, okay, the glasses which are there in the window, they are cracked. Okay, I often think there is someone staring at me. Whenever he says, okay, whenever he passes through that, each time, okay, he feels, he thinks that there is someone inside staring at him. Okay, I'll peep through that window one day. So what he's saying, to look at to look at that man who is inside, he feels, okay, that there is someone. So he sees that one day I'll peep through the window and see what is there inside. Okay, let's see the third stanza now. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he'll jump out and chop off my head. But I will take a peek one day. So here, okay, in the third stanza, what the poet is saying that his brother, okay, his brother is coming here. He says that my brother says there is a ghost in the shed. There is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards. Okay, it is a wooden board which is there on the floor. So that ghost is hidden there inside there. Okay, and if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. So he says that if he tries to get inside that house, what will happen? He will jump out, he will come out and then chop off his head. That means his head will be cut off. Okay. But I will take a peek one day. So he says that one day he will get inside and he'll see what is there. Okay, that means he wants to take the adventure. Okay, so let's see the fourth stanza now. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. Since I don't know when I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. So, here in the last stanza, he wants to say that I know that there is no really a ghost. There is no ghost at all. Okay, simply say that there is no ghost at all. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. That means his brother, okay, he wants to keep it for his own purpose. That's why he's telling lies. He's telling lies saying that there is a ghost inside. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. That means he's saying that there is no one inside who is staring or making strange noises. No one is there. And the web has been gone from his